Join me as I try to set up and test the free Signal TV's powerful 32-inch 12V Smart TV in the most unexpected location. I'm super excited to share with you this portable entertainment solution that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone looking for a reliable TV that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The free Signal TV's 32-inch 12-volt Smart TV is designed to provide a great viewing experience on the go. For those of us who love spending time outdoors, finding a reliable TV can be a real challenge. Traditional TVs are often bulky, heavy, and not designed for outdoor use. They can be prone to damage from the elements, and their power consumption can be a real concern. I've had my fair share of frustrating experiences with regular TVs in outdoor settings, and I'm sure many of you can relate. One of the biggest pain points is trying to find a TV that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Whether it's a camping trip or a backyard movie night, you want a TV that can handle the elements and provide a great viewing experience. Another challenge is dealing with complicated setups and finding a power source that can handle the TV's power requirements. We've all been there, struggling to find a TV that can keep up with our active lifestyle. Whether it's a road trip or a music festival, we want a TV that can provide a great viewing experience without breaking the bank or weighing us down. That's why I'm excited to dive into the features of the free Signal TV. The free Signal TV's 32-inch 12-volt Smart TV is designed to address these challenges head-on. With its sleek and compact design, it's perfect for outdoor use. The display quality is top-notch, with a resolution that provides a crystal-clear picture. Plus, it has a range of connectivity options, including HDMI and USB ports, making it easy to connect your favorite devices. One of the standout features of the free Signal TV is its power consumption. With a low power draw, you can enjoy hours of entertainment without worrying about draining your battery. And with its 12 volts DC power input, you can easily connect it to a car battery or a portable power source. Compared to traditional TVs, the free Signal TV is a game changer. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at what some users have to say about the free Signal TV. I've seen it in action, and I'm blown away by its performance. The picture quality is amazing, and it's so easy to set up. I've used it on camping trips, and it's been a total game changer. In real-world tests, the free Signal TV has performed flawlessly. It's withstood rough handling, and its display quality has remained top-notch even in bright sunlight. With its range of features and rugged design, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking for a reliable TV that can keep up with their active lifestyle. So, what sets the free Signal TV apart from other 12-volt smart TVs on the market? For starters, its unique combination of display quality, connectivity options, and low power consumption make it a standout. Plus, its rugged design and compact size make it perfect for outdoor use. If you've had any experiences with similar products, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you're interested in more home entertainment solutions, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Free Signal TV Transit Platinum 12-volt Smart TV, 32-inch TV with DVD player, pre-download apps, Bluetooth/Wi-Fi included, AC/DC power with 1080p HD resolution, HDMI/USB, use in RVs, campers, and boats. Screen size 32 inches. Resolution 1080p. Signal format digital. Size 32-inch. Brand free Signal TV. Display technology LED. Special feature flat. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, HDMI and SPIF. Aspect ratio 16:9. Product dimensions 2.75 x 28.85 inches wide by 17.1 inches high. Industry-leading technology, Free Signal TV pioneered the first 12-volt smart TVs in 2022 with the launch of the Transit Platinum line, available in 3 high-demand screen sizes, 22, 28 and 32-inch. Outstanding features and value for your mobile entertainment solution. Seamless streaming, access your favorite content easily with built-in Wi-Fi and internet access, Bluetooth 5.0, SD DVD player, and access to popular pre-downloaded apps including Netflix, Amazon Prime TV, YouTube, and more. Durable on-the-go use, our 12-volt smart TV is extremely durable and includes a vibration-resistant chassis, making this the perfect RV TV for when you are on the road, or in a mobile off-road environment. Versatile adaptability to different temperatures and humidity means you can watch in any environment hassle-free. Sound and picture quality, high-definition 1080p LED panel sizes from 22 to 40 featuring 3D comb filters, advanced noise reduction circuitry, 178-degree wide-span viewing angles and flex environment engineering for temperature/humidity protection. Extremely efficient and low power draw, the Transit Platinum 12-volt TV is the perfect application for your camper. Includes multiple 12 volts connection options, supports DC and AC power to integrate with your 12 volts power system, or easily convert to 110 volts with an included adapter. Why do we love what we do? At Free Signal TV, helping people enjoy life and save money through the performance and value of our products is the driving force behind our business. It also provides the ultimate form of true satisfaction for a job well done. How did we get our start? Free Signal TV started in a spare garage space in northern Kentucky. We saw a need for a better long-distance HD TV antennas to deliver free TV to households. Thus the Marathon antenna was born. Our 12 volts mobile transit TV line came next, offering smart TV capability with low power draw and durable vibration-resistant tech. What makes our products unique? The quality of our products reflects diligent attention to innovative engineering, durability, and maximum value. All products are backed by knowledgeable and friendly US-based customer support and tech assistance. Mission statement: Free Signal TV designs and manufactures advanced entertainment solutions for mobile and home applications that provide outstanding value, reliability, and performance. 1. Free Signal TV offers a 32-inch Transit Platinum 12-volt smart TV with features like a DVD player, pre-downloaded apps, Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity, and AC/DC power, suitable for RVs, campers, and boats. 2. The TV has a 1080p HD resolution, LED display technology, and a flat screen with a 16:9 aspect ratio, providing high-definition picture quality. 3. Free Signal TV pioneered 12-volt smart TVs in 2022, offering models in 22, 28, and 32-inch sizes, designed for mobile entertainment with seamless streaming capabilities. 4. The TV is durable for on-the-go use, featuring a vibration-resistant chassis and adaptability to various temperatures and humidity, ideal for mobile environments. 5. It includes advanced sound and picture quality features like 3D comb filters, noise reduction circuitry, and wide viewing angles. 6. The Transit Platinum TV is energy efficient with low power draw, supporting both DC and AC power, making it suitable for campers and easy to convert to 110 volts. 7. Free Signal TV aims to help people enjoy life and save money through high-performance products, driven by satisfaction from delivering value. 8. The company started in northern KY, initially focusing on HD TV antennas, and expanded to 12 volts mobile TVs with smart capabilities and durable technology. 9. Free Signal TV products are unique due to innovative engineering, durability, and value, supported by knowledgeable US-based customer service. 10. The mission of Free Signal TV is to design and manufacture advanced entertainment solutions for mobile and home use, ensuring outstanding value, reliability, and performance.